6 ways you can easily increase your profits. Want to know how to increase profit quickly? Watch this video until the end. Imagine what you could learn from over 500 articles based around internet marketing, business and finance, home business, legal matter, blogging, copywriting, email marketing, PPC, RSS, search engines, website promotion, and more. And what could this do for your business? 1. How to turn an idea into $100,000. Do you ever wonder why some people seem to get all the lucky breaks in business while others struggle to get by barely? They seem to be in the right place at the right time. The fact is, maybe they're not at the right place at the right time. Perhaps they know how to make things happen. As a business advisor, I often see people begin and end a business before giving it a chance to grow. For some reason, they seem to think that all they have to do is have a product or service to sell, and the rest magically takes care of itself. Nothing could be further from the truth. For any business to succeed, some steps must be taken. 2. The steps from product idea to product success. Michelangelo once said that his statue of David was embedded in the block of marble, and he merely chipped away the edges to reveal it. Is your product idea inside your mind just waiting to come alive? Or is your product already formed, and you need only to smooth out the edges? Using my market step process, your idea will come to life as we progress in the following steps from idea to launch. 1. Self-evaluation. 2. Concept evaluation. 3. Prototype evaluation. 4. Product and market planning. 5. Product development and marketing tactics. 6. Product launch, marketing, and selling. Please use this roadmap as a navigational tool to guide and monitor your progress. 3. Is this the PR you thought you were getting? You know, where you do something positive about the behaviors of those outside audiences that most affect your organization, and where you do so by persuading those important external folks to your way of thinking. Then move them to take actions that help your department, division, or subsidiary succeed. Yes, that is right. ITIS, where you use the fundamental premise of public relations to produce external stakeholder behavior change and the kind that leads directly to achieving your managerial objectives. What it boils down to is, 1. Your public relations effort must involve more than special events, brochures, and news releases if you want to get your money's worth. And 2. The right PR really can alter individual perception and lead to changed behaviors that help you succeed. 4. How to easily increase your profits. Do you remember the last time you went into a shop and the person Esservingi raced over to you, greeted you with a lovely smile, heaps of enthusiasm, and said, welcome to our store, what can I help you with today? And then listened attentively to what you had to say. Doesn't it happens very often? While I was writing this, I couldn't recall when I had experienced it. I'm sure I must have, yet it would have been so long ago, I cannot remember. Let me tell you what happened this week. I belong to a well-known trade exchange, which I have found very useful for my business. I wanted to purchase a suitcase from a particular store which usually takes trade dollars. The store will limit trade dollars from time to time if they have reached their maximum for the month. Anyhow, I quickly discovered this wasn't going to be my lucky day. 5. A simple formula for success. Leaders in the business world need public relations big time, showing it every day. How? By staying in touch with their most important external audiences and carefully monitoring their perceptions about the company, audience member feelings about hot topics at issue, and the behaviors that inevitably follow. Could there be an angle here for your business? What I mean is, once you interact with, then learn what that key target audience of yours believes about you and your organization. A corrective public relations goal and a specific behavior change can be established, which then requires that you identify a strategy. There are just 3 choices here. Create an opinion where none exists, change the current view, or reinforce it. 6. Attracting clients with ease. Whether you are already running your own business or still thinking about starting your own business, I suspect that deep down, you know you have gifts and talents that can make a difference to others. In an ideal world, you'd spend the majority of time doing the work you love to do, with a steady stream of clients knocking at your door as and when you want them. The reality, however, can be somewhat different. and the whole process of finding new business can be a time-consuming challenge full of uncertainty. Some would-be entrepreneurs are so intimidated by the idea of finding clients that they never put their dreams into action. Others start promising businesses yet are disillusioned by the frustrating lack of clients. Some diehards persist at high emotional and financial costs as the uncertainty about attracting and maintaining clients takes its toll. Just imagine, you can use these articles to build, promote, advertise, write articles, newsletters, build autoresponder messages, and much, much more for your business. These articles are loaded with good keywords for search engine rankings, and they are yours for the taking as long as you leave the resource boxes intact. If you want to read the rest of the articles above and read more about internet marketing, this is the place to do it. Steve Pike is an internet infopreneur and author interested in the internet marketing world. At the age of 49, he has become interested in writing, selling online, and managing online businesses.